Hello and welcome to another CLD preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. We're continuing with the daily CLD problems. Please pause, scroll or mute if necessary to understand the problem and then resume when ready. Let's begin. So this question says, what is the value of numeric value out following execution of the VI? As you can see, this code actually uses the split number followed by the join number. You need to be careful that the input to the join number is actually interchanged output of the split number. So, and this for loop is running for 3 times. So what actually happens is the split number is going to split the number into 2 equal halves. Then the join number is creating the number again by joining the 2 halves, and then it is feeding into the shift register. That basically means the number is going to come as an input in the next iteration. As you can see, since the for loop is running for 3 times, that basically means in each odd iterative value the output is going to be the same as the first iteration. So that basically means our output is going to be C. Please like, share and comment on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for future LabVIEW videos. I'll see you next on the another CLD preparation video.